G'day, I'm Andrew from Canterbury Caravans, and today we're going to talk about the projector battery system in our caravans. The panel is here. There's a load switch, which is your on and off switch. There's also the battery gauge for the batteries in the caravan. It's called the service battery and indicates the voltage in the battery, and currently it's at 13.5 and being charged. If you're plugged into your car, the starter battery will indicate your car battery voltage. Over here to the left you have the freshwater gauges. You may have one or two tanks, and then a grey water tank, if you have it, will indicate the level of water in those tanks. If you're plugged into 240 volt, there's a mains light to show that the battery of the caravan is being charged via the battery charger. If you're out in the sun and not connected to mains, the PV panel will light up showing that your battery is being charged by the solar panels. There's also a small fault light that will indicate a fault code if there's a problem. The water pump on and off switch is also on this panel, and you just quickly hit it, it'll bring a green light on and the water pump will function. In the event that you get an issue with the projector battery management system and you've turned it on and there's no 12 volt, there are a couple of reasons that could be. You need to go check the main header unit and to make sure you haven't accidentally or purposely turned off the on and off switch. If you continue to have problems, there will be a fuse box somewhere in your van, either under a bed or in a cupboard, and you can check the fuses and you should be able to rectify any simple issue. For more tips and hints, head to our webpage at canterburycaravans.com.au or our YouTube channel.